Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired April 7th, 2025. The topic of that episode was Nurturing the Divine Attributes. Swami, your thoughts?
Divine truth must be given to be received. It requires conscious awareness along with an outlet for expression. Spirit testifies with deeds, not words.
Looking to demonstrate divine attributes? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya